Full start. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing well. This is going to be my first video of 2025. I know it's been a while. We had kind of rough weather in January in Texas, but now we got beautiful weather. Today we are reaching about 80-degree high. We still have some cold front coming, which is going to be next week. But hey, you gotta take advantage of the day that you have nice days. So today I have some things planned out. I'm like, let's go ahead and make a quick video and give you guys a quick update that what is going on. I'm here today with my 2023 S1000 XRM package. New modification I did was the putting a DB killer in here, which I installed, and I never really went out and did a review for you guys, see how it sounds and everything with the DB killer. It has a fully titanium Akrapovic headers with the OEM Akrapovic can. So I just wanted to go over quickly the mods that I have completed. Two things I have done was putting the DB killer on this guy, install some Rizoma turn signals, install these fog light lens cover with the what do you call, amber yellowish European style. I have coated the bike to show up M logo on startup. Let me show you guys. It's a BMW motored M, and in the daytime running light. So now the headlight stays off. US model, the headlight came on whenever you turn the bike on, and always stayed on. So I coded to be turned off on the daytime, and I installed that USB socket, which I made a video on. If you guys want to watch, go ahead and do that on my channel. I can put the link up there. That's the how to install the USB-C socket here and replacing the DC power outlet that comes with the bike. And I installed these WRS windscreen. That's it. And oh, the quad lock. So yes, the GPS mount had to go. Let's hear the bike. We're gonna go out for a quick ride. You don't want to hear me talking nice thing about the bike, but the bike looks beautiful, elegant. And so the bike is completely warm. I warmed it up at the house, came here, my actual location where I make my videos, the quiet place. So we can give it a couple rev. So with the DB killer, it still sounds great. So you're not missing out anything. I'll tell you a little bit more. Let's go for a ride. It's beautiful. It's already hitting 75 degrees. Yeah, so it's gonna hit 80s. So it's gonna be a long day for me. I will be out pretty much all day. Let's get on the bike and tell you what's going on today and what's coming in the future. So it's time to downgrade. Just kidding. All right. One thing I want to say or tell everybody, if you have a bike, please go out and ride. That's the only way you get the full satisfaction of riding bike. Just go out, ride, enjoy the weather, and I'm trying to encourage as much as I can. I recently have two of my friends get their MSF course, and we're in the market of shopping for new bikes, beginner bikes. And as you guys know, my MT-07 is up for sale, and one of my friend is going to get the MT-07 from me, so he's going to be the proud owner, and that will be replacing a bike coming very soon. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll give you some hints a little bit later. Yeah, so I went over all the mods that I did on the bike, and the bike looked has a tune already from the previous owner, so everything was pretty much done. And now it's just time for me to enjoy that beauty. And every time I go out for a ride on this bike, and it just puts a smile in my face. This bike is something else. You are not missing out any 1000cc power. Like if you are thinking like, oh man, a sports touring bike, you're not gonna get the feeling of riding a super sports. You will be wrong. This bike is a super sports in a sports touring body. So this is just amazing. This bike, to be honest, makes me want to go out and ride every time I get an opportunity, and I'm doing it. The first day that we had some freezing weather and then we got some 50s, I went out ride. I'm going to work in the morning, early morning. I'm just, whenever I have an opportunity, I am riding this bike. And on that note, MT-07 is pretty much sitting and collecting dust. So I thought, if I sell that bike and I have something in my mind that I want to get, which will be replacing MT-07, and something that I might ride a little bit more, see that power? Yeah, so I'm on that. So this is the reason I thought I sell the MT-07 and get a bike that is a super sports, which I'm downgrading by the way, but it will super sports, just a hint, but I'm not going to mention the name or brand. It's a 4-cylinder, it's going to be a super sports, and it's around 400cc. It's giving you enough clue to guess what bike it is, so leave a comments in the down below, which will be coming soon. And we'll be saying goodbye to MT-07. So hopefully I can ride that one a little bit more, side by side with this one. And this is not going anywhere, so downgrading meaning I am downgrading, but this is staying with me. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, so then you know what's coming. I will be revealing hopefully within next week or two. And as you guys can hear, I don't know, hopefully the microphone is picking up the sound of the bike. So I got the DB killer installed because this was extremely loud bike with the full exhaust system without the DB killer, or you call it DB eater. That's what the BMW called. And that makes the bike sound like very nice and bassy, but it's not, breaking your eardrums or anything. So it's doing very well job on maintaining the sound quality and not giving you fatigue if you're riding for a long time. And this is the purpose of this bike, is to go out on a ride long period of time without being or feeling tired. So that was the reason I got the DB eater, and I don't see anyone on YouTube had a video on this thing. So that's the expensive part, but it does the job for you. I'm going to do my oil change today. So this is what I'm heading right now. I will be heading to get the oil change done, and then I'll be meeting with some friends, do some golfing. I just wanted to come out, make a quick video, give you guys an update what's going on with this bike and what's coming, and of course enjoy this beautiful weather and get some things done too. So that's the motive of this video today, to take appointments walking on Saturdays. So I'm hoping to go in and hopefully they take me in for oil change. That would be great. Then after that I have some plans that I'll be out on with my friends and do some activities. So that's the plan, and enjoy the beautiful weather. So let's head to the dealership. I wanted to see a first gear run, see how much to the top speed on first gear. So let's give it a pull right here. So let's see. 75 on first gear. Wow. So my GPS told me it will take about 27 minutes, but you know, it took a lot less than that. And that is one another reason that I do not want to post any highway videos on the channel, because you just, you know, don't want to get in trouble with the law of posting yourself going way above the speed limit. And this bike is really easy to do, like way above the speed limit. And if I do post a video, I have to lower the speedo so you don't see what's going on. I might as well just not even post on highway pools. Here it is. I mean, today is not looking as bad, but let's see, we'll find out. It's done. I did my lunch with my friends. Now we're gonna do some driving at the golf range, and the wind picked up and the temperature is dropping. So we hit 80s today. Now we're gonna drop to like 50s tonight. So it's like you get pretty much everything in one day in Texas. So I'm prepared. So by the time I head home, it's probably gonna temperature probably gonna drop to 60s. So alright, let's play some golf. Alright guys, so I had a beautiful day outing today. Got a lot of things done. I got my oil change service done, met up with the friends, hung out with them, had lunch, and at the end of the day we ended the day with golfing a little bit. And the temperature dropped like crazy. If you guys can see, it's showing 61 right now, and we hit the high today was 80. So this will be it for this video guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. My friend finished the video with his outro, so peace out.
Thank you for watching Solo MC Rider. Like and subscribe. Peace.
There you go. All right.